Next, let's set up Web Connect to get your pop-up form working on your website. Web Connect is a small code snippet that links your site to GetResponse, enabling visitor tracking, automation, and pop-ups, so you can engage visitors and grow your email list effortlessly. Now, let's set it up. Enter the URL for the website where you want to display the pop-up. Click Get Web Connect. Copy the code provided in the Web Connect setup page. Open your website's HTML editor or backend. In this demo, I'm using Squarespace. In Squarespace, you'll find this under Website, Pages, Website Tools, and Code Injection. Paste the Web Connect code inside the Head section of every page you want to track. Save and publish your changes. If you use WordPress, Shopify, or another major platform, check if GetResponse has a plugin or integration for your platform. And install the GetResponse plugin and follow the setup instructions. Some platforms automatically insert the Web Connect code for you. Go back to GetResponse, close the Web Connect code instructions, then click Save and Publish. Visit your website and confirm that the pop-up is appearing and behaving as expected. Web Connect is now live, and you can start using pop-ups, automation, and tracking features.